Everything's just clean girl, soft girl. No. Gotta pop a color or 2 or 3. All right, y'all. So it's been a minute or whatever. I know it's been a while. Anyway, let's get right back into it. Like, you know, because I'm back like we never left. Anywho, I have some stuff that I wanted to. You cool? That's Caramel. She right here on my bed. She got this little thing on her, let me show y'all. She got this little thing around her neck because, she recently got fixed. So yeah, that's what she got going on. And she has to wear that for 10 days, I think. 10 to 14 days. So I bought her that off Amazon because it was much cuter. And she wasn't really able to eat. I'm trying to make sure y'all not crooked. She wasn't... Wait a minute now. She wasn't really able to eat. I wanted to show y'all the stuff I got in my monthly Ipsy subscription. Okay, so I mixed a lot of the stuff up because stuff is just all over the place. So I guess I'll just do like my monthly subscription. I don't know. I'm just gonna show y'all the new stuff that I got, which is a lot. I think I showed y'all this one already. I'm gonna start with this Plump and Pout. This is a lip plumping booster by a brand called Beauty Creations. And it's real cute. It looks like a, what does it look like? It looks like a lip injector. Okay, so that's how it looks. And then you just take the top off. And then I'm guessing, I'm scared. Okay, let's go. Oh no, how you do it? Okay. Is that rain? That is rain. Y'all, it's like a tornado watch. We ain't never had no tornado watch. They even let the kids out 2 hours early today. So it's just raining real hard outside. Anyway, let's use this. Well, how are you supposed to use? Okay, I think you're supposed to turn it. Okay. Oh, this is the top. No. Is it? No, it's supposed to come out of there. Okay. Put it back on. And then, am I supposed to turn it? Oh, turn it. And then, okay. I don't think they thought this through. Oh, it says open. I'll turn it that way to open. And then this way to close. Okay, so it's open. How am I supposed to get this shit out? It's so stinking cute too. Like, come on. Like, how do you... It's a lip plumper. But... Oh, it's raining real bad. Tell me what you need, girl. Anytime it start raining real hard and all that, goes to put my stuff on the charger. Maybe I gotta keep pumping it up. Like, oh, there it is. It's some coming out. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that on for the duration of the video. No. And we're gonna see what that does. Will my lips be on fire? Nobody knows. Next I have this Hula. This is a bronzer, I believe. And this is in the shade... It doesn't say. It doesn't say a shade. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's just like a brown bronzer. This is not a bronzer for me. I mean, you get to choose your colors and all that, but like this wouldn't be a bronzer for me. This is like a transition color for my eyelids. I also have this this is an e.l.f. Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen, which I'm not gonna demonstrate this yet because as you can see, I already have the other stuff on. It's currently burning. I have this Benefit Professional Foundation, and I already know that's not gonna be my color. My lips are burning. They're tingling as we speak. This is a little foundation. A lot of this stuff is travel size, which I'm gonna see. I'm surprised this is this dark. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's light. So this would be like a concealer for me, because it's too light to be a foundation. So I'll hold on to that. I also got this Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Moisturizer. This is a gel moisturizer. And this stuff, getting this stuff every month is just like a little gift to yourself. And I think it's only, how much do I pay? It's like $15. I think it's like $15 a month. But yeah, this is the, I'm not going to open it up. But this is the size of it. I have this is by a brand called Miel. And this is the Exfoliate and Smooth Salad. And this is the Strawberry Kiss Sugar Scrub. This is the Strawberry Kiss Sugar Scrub for the body. I want to smell this. Oh, it smells good. I can smell. I'm not even going to take the top off of it. So this is how it comes. And where's the freaking thing I had? Where's the thing it came in? Anyway. Oh, it didn't come in nothing. It says it has notes of strawberries, whipped cream, and rose petals. This smells really, really good. I'm going to use this tonight. I need to start using my things. This is a Watermelon Dream Milk Serum, facial serum. I wonder if it smells like watermelon. Oh! Okay, this is how the top is. Like, I don't know how you're supposed to do this, but okay. A milk serum? Is this for the body? Or is it just for the face? Hydrating, balancing, smoothing. Oh, face serum. Okay. I have to put these in the bathroom. And I have this. All this didn't come in one. And this is like 2 months together, mixed up. This is the Verse Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm. So it's just basically a makeup remover. I'm telling you, you're getting some good stuff in here. And I also got this, The Ordinary Multi-Active Delivery Essence. And this is like a big bottle. It's a real big bottle. And this primes your face for skincare penetration. Yeah. I guess my lips look plumper. I don't know. They tingling now. But this plumper doesn't have anything on this buxom lip plump. This feel like somebody lit a match on your lips. Ooh. Y'all like my hair? Got my hair done yesterday. A little boho bob situation. I took my hair out the other day because I had a weave in for a real long time. Extended amount of time. Yeah. And I just cut it out myself, which I wound up cutting out like part of a braid, my hair. And then I cut out like a big chunk right here in the front. But it is what it is. That's why we got the braids. We're just gonna leave out a break. And I thought this was the perfect like style, because I didn't want a curly flip over, but I was like, I also needed braids because I had a weave back to back, and I was like, oh, the leave out needs a break. Oh, I love Dollar Tree. I'm a Dollar Tree girl down. I love Dollar Tree down. So where do I start? I do the girls' makeup for cheer. My daughter's in cheer, so I do their makeup for cheer, you know. So I go to Dollar Tree, get a little stuff, you know, that we can use. So I always stop by to Dollar Tree to see what I can get, pick up like little disposable stuff, like, not disposable, but like Q-tips, micellar water, what else I get? Like little cotton swabs, things like little cotton rounds, stuff like that. So when I went in there, I was like, ooh, I stumbled upon This has nothing to do with them, by the way. This has everything to do with me. I got these liquid liners because I did grab a black liner for them. Liquid liner for them. Now I can do Winter's eyeliner in black. Now I can do Winter's eyeliner in liquid, but everybody else don't have the patience. The little girls don't have the patience. So I went and bought a gel liner for them, if I can find it. And the gel liner works perfectly. And I think I need to get another one because I broke it off. Yeah. But I got them a gel liner from the hair store by Kiss. Anyway, long story short, I saw these liners, and this is a metallic liquid liner, and this is in the color purple. No, this is in metallic lavender, and then this is in the color metallic gold. Aren't these fun? Like, I just feel like we should make makeup fun again. I think everything has been like neutral eye or soft glam, stuff like that. Like, where's the color, you know? Speaking of color, I use these little makeup palettes for their makeup. So I use this pink right here because their makeup is like a white and then pink. So I use that pink right there, which is so cute and it's bright. And I got two of them. These are by NK New York. And this is the birthday cake. And I was like, oh, these are some fun colors. Like, I want to do a makeup look with these colors. So I think that's what I'm gonna do today, right now, as we speak, as we sit here. Makeup's just been so boring lately, you know? And I really want to use this purple liner, like real bad. So yeah, there's that. And then I keep all my stuff in, well, when I do that makeup, I keep all my stuff in my little vanity bag, which I got, ooh. I keep it all in my vanity bag, which is good for travel because we are going to Myrtle Beach and then we're going to Florida soon. So, and this is perfect. I got this for Valentine's Day. It's so cute. And it holds all of my stuff plus their stuff. So, yeah, but I want to do a little makeup today. Oh, let me tell you about this serum right here. So it's a girl, I don't know her name, but I saw a couple of her videos. I should have followed her. When I see her again, I'm gonna follow her. She is an esthetician, and she went to Dollar Tree. Well, she goes to Dollar Tree a lot. I think it's like a series. She goes to Dollar Tree and she shows like the skincare and stuff that she recommends. So she recommended this Skin Nutrition Niacinamide serum, and I do love it. And this is from Dollar Tree. And when I put it on, I notice that I get a little glow. It's a little glow going on. Yeah, I just got done planning some makeup, and trying to zoom in to show y'all. No gloss, that's because I'm over here. Anyway, I was trying to show y'all my eyes, and I had fun doing this, y'all. Like, it's kind of fading now because, I mean, the pigment isn't really, you know, it's hair store shit, you know? And then I didn't have that white, what was it? You know, the white creamy, was it NYX? Like the white we used to put on first, and then we used to put the color on to make a color pop. Yeah. Well, it's not even faded, but this is just like the natural color. But I think it's so pretty, y'all. And this is what I'm saying. Like, we really need to make makeup fun again, because everything's just clean girl, soft girl. No. Add a pop of color, or 2 or 3. Now, I don't know if I would ever wear this exact combination out, but you know, it's cute. It's cute. I have, what do I have on my lips? I don't even know what this is called, but this is like a purplish color, like a mauve color. But this is really pretty. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a shade of purple though. I think it's real pretty, by NYX. I wish I could tell y'all the name, but the thing came off the bottom. But yeah, y'all, I had fun doing this. I should have recorded it, but it took me so long, and I just was all over the place, child. But yeah, I can't wait. Is it springtime yet? Spring is this week. I can't wait to, like, and this is what I love about the bob, because it's so curly. I can't wait to like put my hair up in a little ponytail, put the pieces down. Yeah. Anyway, let's flip that over. I should have got like some braids on the side right here, something like that. But anyway, yeah, y'all. Ouch! I'm not doing much. I'm about to take a bath, a shower, or something. Take this stuff off my face. I've been enjoying having it on here. But I'm let me take a few pics. I'll talk to y'all later.